মেছেজলৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰাৰ কথা সদৰী এছআইটিৰ মুৰব্বী। শিলচৰত অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ তৃতীয় কাৰ্যনিৰ্বাহকৰ সভাত সদ্য প্ৰয়াত শিল্পী জুবিন গাৰ্গ।
Kanegade du dashan Meghalaya bangi piang subhai phi baro shagani ka thup khubor minta ka janmit shwaban pha shaki khubor ki babnya ngine petchwai ki mat bakongsan Rakhe Katana Directorate of Educational Research and Training Meghalaya yaka Jubilee Ksiar Bashisnem Linter Here ting unoyalam kalyang persha u Dr. Mukul Sangma ya ka sarkar halor ka jinkiu ka jingsha pinyap ki khanna. Pentikna usemut menteri rangba uba snyau bhalang dhar balala bante lakam ya ki jingakin at khaput. Ban mikmat kinoy lekai muya thai na Meghalaya walfanza riang baru andi taro ya ka India ha ka Asian Youth Games. Ki khubor ki babnya. Katanat Directorate of Educational Research and Training Meghalaya kalapli perda ya ka jingrakhi Jubilee Ksiar Bashisnem Linter 2000 hadu 2000 hinen kaski ha ka jakat rekam jongka hanongrem mau Shillong. Kapang jong jingra ke kalong honoring the past, empowering the present and shaping the future. Kani ka jingra ke kalong kadak jong jingdap san pho snem jong jingno sinyang ka DRT banai jing hikai ya ki nong hikai ban banle ya ki jingwat bnya banang kente ya ka pule puthi. U menteri katana ki kam pule puthi ulak men rimboy ulalong ukong san jong ka jingra ke hakaba lasanran lang da ki he sarkar bat ki bayadan binta ha ki kam pule puthi. Haba ai jingkren umentri ulaya ro ya ka DRT bat ong bakalalong ka binta ba kongsan ban pin bha ya ka pule puthi ban ai jing hikai ya ki no hikai bat wanra ya ki bud start thammai ha ka rukom ai jing hikai shaki khinna pule
the ability to read is very less and the compassion to read also it is not there anymore. It's very limited. Now with advent of artificial intelligence, it is very, very scary. What type of student and what type of future generation we produce, we have to inculcate in us in that beauty of reading, the beauty of books, the beauty of acquiring knowledge through reading.
Unoyalam kalyang persha u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ther ting ya ka sarkar Meghalaya ka bamsham lala banle hakbaya dei ba ka jing ja sha penyap khulung bakha kha baula ka no yaki bor penya halor ka jing shim por ban pendap yaki kam bathli haknat puli ula maham bakine ki jingja basneo ki la banang aimen siam ki kampentrim lada omle yaki usangma ula penpaw yak jingsngo lengo halor ka jingkiyo jongki kampentrim persha yaki khulung ka bakham nyar bha ha ka jela bat ula ban baga jingso kam dei tang ka jingbam don ki kenhon le no ula kentu ya ka sarkar bakadei ban lum jingkhen ni ban le audit yaki police station ban pindap marmar yaki kam bathli
and pursue after these incidents of petty crimes in the right earnest, strengthen the organization which is tasked with this huge responsibility. Whether the government is doing it or not is a question. Now let me tell you one thing which should be very alarming for all of us as citizens. Is the police organization having enough manpower? I spoke to one of the SPs recently, 2 months back, about certain such incidents of criminal activities and the wherewithal of the police organizations to deal with. One of the constraints that they have started flagging before us is the lack of manpower.
Kabintri barim katanat ka kot kya bat katanat ki kam an ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo kalapen paw ya jingsno kya halor ka jingkiyo jongki kampentri persha ya ki khallong ha Meghalaya ba kala ong ba ka dei ka por ka ba e bha ya ki kmi Habapin pau yak jing snow kia halor ke jing kiu jong ki jing sneo kala kintu yak sorkar bakadai ban shim mardor yak sin jam ba perking persha yak nong le kam sneo bat pintikna ban pindep yak jing tokit marmar. Ka kong lingdo kala ong baki long yeng ki dei ban shim kia bat ban pan bandon ka jing pet bnia yaki kam an ban pintikna ban yo ka jing bishar bahok khamtam yaki brio ki baduna ha ka yo ka kot.
There should be a scene reassurance for public that any perpetrators of crime will be dealt with stringently, and we have to start working on this. I also have a feeling that usually it is more pathetic when a victim loses their life but their family don't find justice. So it's like beyond expressing, beyond understanding. I think our legal aid, we have to review this.
Unoy alam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul sang maula keno ya baro artli ki sarkar jilla kata ka sarkar Assam bat Meghalaya halor ka jinga ka ja hasnang alla pangap hakaba uway na kinong shnong ula du e yala ka jing im dakaba ong bakadon ka jing ko hakru komtre kam banlum ya ki jing tip shapang kani habakren hinnen kasngi usang maula penpaw ya jing sngo binyaw jong ka jing bom don shu ka jinga trelang hapdeng kinigi ar jilla kumbalong hakipor menshwa hashwa kasnem arhajar khatfra kabala banyada yakum kini ki jingjia ulama ham baka jing penslam ya jing kren jongka wat ka baar tat hadu bandadap ka election ha Assam ka ban nang penjur ya ka jing kan art baru kentu ban shim khia mardor ya kani ka kam.
But at the same time, let us also look at pre-2018. We definitely had areas of difference pertaining to the areas where we have these areas of difference which are identified. But we managed to ensure that there was a robust system put in place involving the authorities of both the governments at the district level with the district administration of both sides, their counterparts, and at the chief secretary level. So there was a robust mechanism available all the time, and we had a robust mechanism of input collection if there is any certain amount of tension which is giving rise to this kind of likely conflict, and therefore know where to somehow intervene and prevent this kind of unfortunate incidents.
Usambur menteri rangba ka jala uba sneo bhalang dhar ula pintikna balala bante lakam ya kije ken art kabalami hadien ka jingja kabalaja min ha kasngi palai daga ba penshai ba kane ka kam ka don ka jinga dei bat ki huri hura ki balala mi ha ka kam rep bat om ha ka jinga ke ja khaput ula penpau ba ki don ki benta jongka khandulip siar ki badon hapne ka jinga ken art henry kashnong ha ga ba ka te ka jingja sha pinyap ka ja kam sham ha ha ka te ka than udhar ula ong ba ka jinga kren jongki menteri rangba ki arjala kata ka jala Meghalaya badasam kadang ya shakmat habakran pat chapang ka jinga tre shiyeng hakikam san hima ula pentik na ba mau ula ai tilot ban shakri yaki pat nong shong shnong ka Meghalaya om nakabenta ki kam mentoy shimet.
Exactly, I think Home Minister has already updated you exactly what we had discussed yesterday. And yesterday incident took place as he already briefed in the press. And at the same time, we are instruct our district administration to report it accordingly to them so there will be no escalate more in the present locations. So as of now, the situation is normal, it's under control. Hopefully, I think it will be okay in the next few days. I am here to work for my team, not for my family. Point number one. And point number two, it's not a new thing. If Conrad Sama and Jim Sama can hold minister post for full 5 term, what is the problem? But that's my brother-in-law, not my father, not my brother. If Mukul Sama can hold minister along this unit, what is the problem? Minister board is not a family post to serve the people.
Usimbut Menteri Rangba Uba Snyau Balang Dhar ulapan benaya ka jingya chaprang jongga projek pinhe ya ka ling sun ha umroy ha ka ba kiladan shibun kinong tep tender laya tre lang bat ka Airports Authority of India kani ka projek katmu ban pinhe ya ka jaka no ling sun ban pinyo jaka no ya ki ling sun ki ba kam he kum ki Airbus A320S and ki bot ki Boeing 737S daga ba pinbha ya ka jing pinya so syakinong ba ki bahe hapok kari bat pan kintiu ki kam jengok kai bat ka khayi ka pateng halor ka jing pinkindria jaka ya ki lais pa sapu artli ki long yeng na harijan colony hathem yo molong uba dhar ulaong ba ka jing kren kadangya chaprang bakan thup ya ka je phliu jingmut bat ka tanat yadari.
The tender has been called for expansion. Hopefully maybe in the next few years we'll be able to operate it. When tender has been called, the work is moving ahead. Almost completed, almost. And it seems some of them has been started this last year. It seems, I'm not very sure, but everything is okay. So only when everything has been disbursed, then you can meet me. I'll be able to do this much of amount for the LA. And the cost for the expansion is not borne by the state, it's from the NI itself, from government. So we are on the job of it. You will be knowing when we decide. We have not yet decided, we have to identify a few location again. So we'll see, still the discussion is on. I can not appropriate for me to tell this is location. We want to decide mutually, we understand the things. So when this matter is pending the court also, hopefully I think we should be able to resolve it, but maybe it may take some time. So but we didn't sit idle, we are on the job, we are really serious on this matter.
Kabinthea Secondary School ha East and West KHASI Hills District kalapli ya kajingrakhi Jubilee Ksiar kabala kinjo shaka Sunpostnem nadu bala sengya ka ha usem kaknais pa nyepunrio kajingrakhi kabashisnem linter kelas dang da kajing yalang pli perda kabala longa pelau jong school ha kabala wan yeshim minta da uba sustenance sotun Menteri Katanat Community and Rural Development kum u kongsan Menteri ulapan her ya kalama jong school bat pli ya umau saknam jong unong seng ya school uba bhatiar sings im bam kwai hadwa rublei ki riu dan buram bakinthop ya ki MLA ki MDC ba ki he sarkar jong district le shimbenta hagani gasngi haringkat ki khana school ki nong hikai ba ki nong shongshnong haga jinga kran jong uba sotun ula kintu ya ki khana school ban pindan kam ya ki Jubilee kum ka jing aimen sim ban ki shaprang ha ki jingpuli
Bakit target point ke jumpi, bakit penkenan ke Jubilee ke jumpi, bakit nak sampai sini, dah kata kini ke school ke jumpi, masih Islam, Kabinthea Secondary School, lima ke Jumpesh ke jumpi, lima ke Jumina ke jumpi, ni kuah ani bakit ke school, kita school bersama ke kelas 10, kinuan hati top rank lani video yada percentage kababhatam lima ke Jumpesh ke jumpi.
Uba Riki Shalai MDC Kalaban Mauprem Constituency ulalam khamat ya ka jinglet jurep lang hinnen kasngi na kabenta ka jingterwa jaka ya ka surok thamai ka bapinya so ya kalum Shillong sha viewpoint Layas nokti lang da kador bar pelun rat laban kinong mikmat ka KHADC bat Menteri Kahima Melim kani ka sinjam ka temu ban pinbha ya kalet kawan sha ka viewpoint kapadon ha ulum Shillong ha ka ba minta lapin slam da ki shipai ki bakmi ya ka surok ulapin tikna ba Kahima Melim kala menjur ban ai jaka ha ka ba ka jiakren ha pring jongki bat ka KHADC kan sadon notion hadin bala pendep menjur kador bar kan wat jing ya rap pisa na ka sarkar jilla.
Overall, the meeting was fruitful, and the meeting is for the clearance of the 600 meters, which was supposed to be done since 2018, then 2022, as per the meeting held by the Relaban Darbar Pulun and the CM Himamalayam. So there are few issues which was lying there, but we could sit together and work things out. So I hopefully now, as we have all the stakeholders, we have met today in this very spot where you can see this road from here will connect the viewpoint. So this is a fruitful.
Kaskol ba Captain Williamson Sangma State University Tura hakaje trailang bat ka District Mental Health Program West Karo Hills kala rakhe ya ka World Mental Health Day hakasni thot ding halor ka phang pedeng access to services, mental health catastrophes and emergencies. Haganiga program la ai jinkrenda u sing JCH Marak bad u Dr. Steve Cherak R. Marak, senior psychiatrist Hatura Civil Hospital, kibala banjur halor ke jingdan kam, jong ke jingkarshan ya ka kot ke kia hakibor perkhat, kerpang hakipor badon kijing e. Kijing penbernya kikentup ya ka skid daki samla puli MSW karensan ya thir halor ka kia kashan hapo ki college bat ka kinta keli jingkeli bat jubab ki biadei bat ka jing e jong ki samla puli.
So this year we have our district mental health program and the psychiatric department of Tura Civil Hospital in collaboration with Department of Social Welfare of the newly opened university, Captain Williamson Sangma State University, have organized this program. So today's theme is supposed to be access to service, mental health in catastrophes and emergencies.
Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society kalasdang ya ka nutrition pilot project jongka ya ka jingya kop shet ha umsning ha kabale shimbanta da shipongut kinong shet naga thmei bayar CLF Women SHG Multipurpose Limited ki ba mikmat ya ki life artli kishnong ya ka nega sinjam la palat da ka office jongka deputy commissioner Rivoy district da ka jingtmu bankin tio ya ka jing shet ya ki jingbam batei da ba pindan kam jingsho naga jalla bat ban penduna ya ka jingshan ya ha ka jingwanra ki jhur banabar u deputy commissioner u Abilash Baranwar o yashim benta hakne ka jingya kop kumukongsan balai snok ti lang daki officer ba ki riu shampang jong ka koi kikia u BDO a merthong u lamat phang halor ka thong jong ka project banla manchania haladi ya ka jingpen mi mar pat ban bam ya ki jingbam tenrai.
Meghalaya ranks amongst the bottom-most states of this entire country. And it's not the poorest state. The poorest states are doing better than Meghalaya. And the government of Meghalaya is putting a lot of focus on nutrition. However, what has been observed over the years is that gradually people have also started ignoring the traditional nutritious ingredients that are found within their locality, in their vicinity, as a result of which nutrition has taken a backseat.
U Alfonza Zinia Riang, Kadiu Snem Kartana Umsning Baru Andi Taro Katnyo Snem Kartana Riboy District Kilasha Jiet Ban Mi Kmat Yakari India Haka Limpong Third Asian Youth Games Habarin Kaban Sedang Nadu Ka Arpo Ar Tarik Urisau Barkaban Kot Haka Lifeway Tarik Urisau Haja Arpsan La Jingarap Daka Indian Olympic Association Kidai na penengki kat kendai ngot kino yele kai kibala jiet nakari nakabenta kani Kalimpong Badon Buram kini ki ar ngot ken mi national haka khat ar tarik Urisau nakabenta ka jing pentibit shu Hajepur Hashwa banle Chabare na New Delhi haka arfoi tarik Urisau ka jing sha jiet jonki kalong ka jing sngaw sarong ya ka jilla Meghalaya.
Hai semua ini benar cuma kekubur bahwa kita macam sosial of Meghalaya, late benci mereka nampak banding kemana nampak United Muay Association India siapa third Asian Game, siapa third Asian Game berwujud Olympic Game kemudian nado ke Aqua mulai koi terik beri. Dan kalian Muay Association ni pak amun nak ni sudah sekalian kemudian nak kalian tinggal di Alfonso Riang kini lihat kaya ka 10 kilo kat ru penyusunan buat secara kaman juga dan andi terus lihat kaya ka 9 kilo.
Ka 16th Money Knockout Football Tournament aja arpusan kalakut no hinin kasingi hasut nga Pochnong Sports and Games ha East Janta Hills District. Hagani ka jingele kai penkut lawan yashim benta de kirio pakmat bakentup yau kongsan uba boring shadap usimbut kongsan uba Dominic Pala bat ki MDC uba Saybor lang shadap bat uba Kristen Langstang Sumer. Haga jingkren jong uba Saybor lang shadap ula banjur bakani ka jingele kai katmu ban pinmi pisa na kabenta ban pinhe ya kamadan yele kai football. Dakabakin tu ya kajing nang ekershan jong kipat ba. Mentang ini pet ya kajing long jingman kasun beneng hatura. kajing kriat kalong arpulai degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong arpunyau degree Celsius kajing sngau kahau menta gasngi kalong nyopulai na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong san millimeter. Habapai pat chakanong bat shalong kajing kriat kalong khatnyau degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong arpuai degree Celsius kajing sngam kahau menta gasngi kalong nyopungdai na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong khat millimeter. Kat bahajo wai pat kajing kriat kalong kat pra degree Celsius pat kajing shet kalong arpulai degree Celsius kajing sngam kahau menta gasngi kalong prapo na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong 100 millimeter. Kandon kajing hap slap bamalumala pat kajing tiet uperthat habuan kijaka hatura shalong bat jawai. Ti parlok katto ngila puai syok bakut jong katup kubor jengi minta ka jalmit hadu banding ini syem yang bat pile syai kesngi keblaya pi baro.